Hi guys, welcome back to another Blender 2.8 tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your game assets look better by baking in ambient occlusion. As you can see, it makes a huge difference to the way an asset looks and at the cost of no performance. Before we start, I'd just like to mention that Radical Relocation, the game we're currently working on at Winglet, is going to be released to Steam in early access soon. There is a demo available to download right now, so if you guys want to show your support for this channel, please go download our demo and wishlist it on Steam, as this will really help us to continue to make cool tutorials for you guys to enjoy. The links for these are all in the description. So to start off, open Blender and open your the asset you want to bake ambient occlusion onto, and then we're going to start by first changing the render engine to cycles, and then see these bake settings over here. We're going to uncheck all of these, even the ambient occlusion one, because we're going to use the ambient occlusion node, so we don't need that. So we're going to just change all that. Then we're going to come down here to this little triangle. We're going to go to UV maps and say plus, add a new one. Then we're going to go to tab, select all by pressing A, then click U, smart UV unwrap, and this will be at 0 by default, so change that to 0.3. And now we'll have unwrapped a new one to this map, so we'll just leave it like that. This one selected, this one rendering. And next we'll go drag this window up a bit, and we can add a shader editor. Now in the shader editor we need to add a texture, so we'll go Shift A, texture, image texture, new, and then 1024 by 1024, and click OK. So now we'll just leave that there, and now we need to add our ambient occlusion node. Shift A, search, and then it should just be the one at the top. And now we need to add a mix RGB node, so Shift A, mix, and then mix RGB. We'll just click that on there, and then drag that one and that one. So now we've got our mix RGB. We need to change this to multiply. And then we're going to select this one, and then we're going to hit bake. And that's just going to bake. So now our bake is done, and we can just connect up the right texture, and so we're going to just disconnect these, move them out of the way, disconnect that, and we'll connect color to here, and you can see it's like does not look right at all, and that is because we need to change the UV maps. So we're going to click this one, so it's rendering off that, and now you can see we have the ambient occlusion, and it looks pretty awesome. So we'll go here, and then if you want to see what it'll look like in a game engine, you can change this to Eevee, so it'll probably look something like that. We have no light source, but you can still see there's ambient occlusion, and it looks pretty cool. So thank you for watching, we'll see you in the next video.